Welcome back to this new video of pre-market analysis for 12th of December, and the day will be Monday. So what was the last market sentiment here? The market was very bearish, and the person who has attended on our online course, that is free course, online conference, might be getting a trade here. He will be getting a trade here and he'll be earning this much. So again and again I'm telling you guys that if you want to survive in the market, if you want to be a profitable trader in the market, win big. Whenever you win big, whenever you win, you have to win big, and whenever you lose, you have to lose small. So what was the trade for that day? So the person will be entering here below this, and he'll be putting a stop loss above this. So our target will be this much. So we have earned a big huge profit on that day. So the person who have attended on our online free course, so they might be getting this trade. So now let's start analyzing for Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank. First we'll discuss on Nifty Bank and then later come back to Nifty 50. So I have marked this level. Why I have marked this level is because this is the previous day high and this is the previous day low. So this will act as a strong support and resistance. This is a strong resistance and this is a strong support. So what will be the plan of action for 12th of December? What will be the analysis for 12th of December? So this is how we are going to plan. If the market opens flat in this level around this, if the market opens flat and if it starts giving a proper closing above 43,700, we are going to start taking a bullish position, and our stop loss will be 50 points and our target will be 150 to 200. So this is how we are going to start taking position for upside momentum. If anything gives a closing above 43,700, we are going to take a bullish position and our stop loss will be 50 points below. And if it opens flat and gives a closing below 43,400, so let's assume the market opens here and starts giving closing below 43,400 and starts going downwards, then below this 43,400 we are going to plan for a bearish trade. So what was the bearish trade? The bearish trade will be 43,400, 43,400. So 43,400 is a crucial level. So below this, we are going to plan for a bearish trade. If any red candle gives a closing below this, we are going to trade below this red candle low, and we are going to target for 200 to 300 points below, and our stop loss will be 50. So this is the way we are going to plan for bearish trade. If it opens gap up, let's say around 43,900 or 43,850, this level, then this will act as a strong support upside. This will act as a strong support, and above this, if we see any bullish price action, we are going to aim for upside momentum. And else, if it gives a closing below, starts giving closing below 43,800, then we are going to start aiming for again profit booking. The thing is, if it opens gap up, then if it gives a proper price action, bullish price action, we are going to trade for upside. Else, if it opens a gap up and if it starts giving closing below 43,800 with a red candle closing, same thing we are going to target in downside momentum. Not much momentum, but we will be targeting for 150 points in this inside. So this is how we are going to plan for Bank Nifty if it opens gap up flat, and if it opens a big gap down, let's say around 43,300 below, 43,300 below, then if it gives a proper closing below 43,300, we are going to start selling till 43,000 will be our target. So this is how we are going to plan for a gap down. And now let's analyze for Nifty 50. So for Nifty 50, the same thing we are going to mark. What is the thing we are going to mark? We are going to mark this high as a resistance and this low as a support. So this will act as a strong support and resistance for the next day. So how are we going to plan in this Nifty 50? So in Nifty 50, it's very simple. The thing is, it should give a proper closing above 18,520. So if anything gives a closing above 18,520, proper closing above this, we'll put a stop loss of 25 points and we'll be targeting till 18,650 level. So this is how we are going to target from here. And let's assume if it opens flat and starts coming down, and if it gives a closing below 18,400, we are going to sell aggressively, and our target will be 100 to 150 points. 100 to 150 points, and our stop loss will be 20 to 25 points. So this is how we are going to target in bearish side. And let's assume if Nifty 50 opens a big gap up like 18,000, 18,680, 18,700 above this level, again this high will act as a strong support, and above this, if you see any bullish price action, we are going to trade in the upside momentum. The same thing if it opens gap up and if it starts giving a closing with red color candle below this high, we are going to start looking for bearish side. The same thing like this, if it opens gap up, then if it starts giving a closing below yesterday's previous day high with red color candle, we are going to target. The same thing we are going to do here also. Then we can target till like 100 points inside this. And what happens, what will be the condition if it opens a big gap down? So if it opens a big gap down like 18,300 or 18,360, 18,320, let's say round level, in this level, if it opens a big gap down, then what will be our level? If anything makes a bearish price action in the sense the market opens gap down and it starts coming down again, if it reverses, and again if it reverses from here. So the thing is, market will open gap down here, or else the market goes up here, and if it gives a retest here, we are going to trade from here. This is the first price action, and the second price action is if it opens gap down, let it go again. If it reverses from here, and if we see a red color candle from here, we are going to trade. So this is the only two price action which we are going to focus on Nifty 50 for the 12th of December. What was the first thing? The first thing is it should open a gap down, it should come up again, we should find a red color candle here, else it should open a gap down, let it go whenever it comes back, and if it hits this level, and if we see any red color candle, we are going to trade from here. This is the only two things we are going to plan in Nifty 50. So this is how we are going to plan for Nifty 50 level. And if anybody is interested to join in our Telegram free group, you can click on the link which is given in the description box below, and you can join in those group. And in that group, we are going to send market updates, what will be the market sentiment for today, and how will be the market today. And we also have special group for intraday tips. We send all the call option, put option, and we send daily intraday tips like maximum 2 to 4 trades we send per day. If this video was helpful to you, click like, subscribe and share, and click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload the videos, you will be the first one to watch the videos and you'll never miss the video.